If you own a window and door installation business, you're going to want to watch this video because over the last 30 days of running this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 108 exclusive window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $84 Canadian, which is around $61 American, with a total ad spend of $9,000. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we help home improvement companies consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow their business past seven figures without relying on shared leads or just referrals. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the offer because the biggest factor of whether you're going to have a successful ad campaign or not is going to be the offer. It's not just about running ads, it's running profitable ad campaigns. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing is going to be the ad creatives. Now, these two things are what we have control over because the heavy lifting in terms of, you know, showing the ads to the right people is going to be done by Meta's machine learning and algorithm. So all we have control over is going to be the offer and the ad creatives. Now, for this client, here's the offer we're running. We're running 3 different campaigns. First one is a 5-window bundle starting from $4,400 installed. And on top of that, our offer stack is 25% off entire order, free triple pane upgrade, lifetime warranty, and we have financing available from $0 down, $35 a month. And the next ad is the same bundle, but it's 10 windows. And the third one is just a financing offer. Now, once we get the offer, then we're going to come up with the ad creatives. Now, for ad creatives, we test videos, images, and all that. But because this client's offer is very competitive in their market, we've gone ahead with a price first strategy using image ads. Now, price first strategy means we're going to have some sort of a starting out prices in the ads because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Now, once we got the offer and the ads created, it's time to run the ads. Now, we run these ads on Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram. And for targeting, it's pretty simple. Now, on Meta, we can target by zip code, city, radius, and all that. And for this client, we're targeting a few different cities with a different radius. For age, we're going after 33 to 64 plus because these are most likely homeowners who have the money to spend. Gender is going to be male and female. And for placement, which is where we want to show the ads, is going to be on Facebook, Instagram, feeds, and reels only. And we're running these ads on mobile devices only because over 80% of the traffic comes through mobile. So we don't even bother with desktop. Okay, so that's for the targeting. Now, once prospects see that, they're going to tap get quote, and then we're going to take them through our pre-qualification form. Now, here's the questions we're asking on the form. Number 1, how many windows do you need replaced? Number of doors, and how soon they're looking to start this project. ASAP, within 90 days, not ready, still planning. Now, we've got logic on the back end of this form. So if somebody selects not ready, still planning, budgeting, we're just disqualify them because our clients only wants to deal with, customers who are looking to move forward within the next 90 days. And at the end, we're asking full name, phone number, and city. Once people submit that lead form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away because on Facebook, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number and some are just not as serious. So that's why we have this backend automation here that's going to send an SMS to every lead that comes in. And it's going to do 2 things. Number 1, this is going to confirm that they've given us their correct phone number, which is going to increase contact rates. And number 2, it's going to make sure that these leads are serious. Hey, first name, it's Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Thanks for requesting a quote for our $35 a month high efficiency window promotion, which includes the free triple pane upgrade and the 25% off. Just reply yes to confirm this is the best number and we'll schedule your free estimate. Now, our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, the system is going to automatically reply back saying, thanks for confirming. We'll give you a call shortly to go over your options. Again, when they submit that form, they're going to come into our system as a new lead. We're going to make sure that they reply with a yes. 3 things could happen. Number 1 is they reply with a yes, which is great. We're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. We're going to send that lead over to our end client instantly via SMS and email. The leads also get sent to a Google Sheet so we can keep track. And Right after that, client will call the lead, book the appointment, and take it from there. Now, if we don't get a reply back from the leads right away, that's not a problem because we're going to have 4 more SMS follow-ups that are going to go out to try to get that yes from them. Now, the first SMS will go out right after the lead submit the form. The second one will go out after 10 minutes. Now, if you don't get a yes from them, we got another follow-up after an hour, and the last one after 4 hours, which is going to sound something like this. Just wanted to check in one last time about our $35 a month window replacement offer. If you'd like to get a free quote, feel free to reply yes. And anytime during this back and forth, if they reply with a yes, boom, they go back in here. We count them as a pre-qualified lead. We send these information over to our end client. Now, for the leads that putting, invalid phone number, they're just replied, they're not interested, they're going to go down the trash and our end clients never going to see them. And that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door installation business or a home improvement company and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business without relying on shared leads or just referrals, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this system makes sense for you. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.